Hi and welcome everyone. My name is Shivani Hegde, and as it is Christmas season, in this video, I'm going to tell you a short tale on how the elves are managing the variability of Santa's gift wrapping machine with pure variants and code beamer. So, as we all know, chaos ensues at the North Pole during this time of the year. Elves are tirelessly engaged in various activities, with one major responsibility being the wrapping of gifts for all the well behaved individuals. Usually, what the elves used to do is they would craft these wrapping machines manually, leading to a time consuming and also labor intensive process. Recognizing this, one of the elves engineers actually came up with a very smart solution. They realized that configuring different machines in the right way and understanding which requirements each machine needs to fulfill would significantly improve the process. So, this way, they can actually have a different tailor-made solutions for a specific type of gifts. Now, for example, if you want to gift wrap a box or a book or maybe electronic box, so then maybe a gift wrapping machine which produces square boxes. If it is irregular shaped gifts, for example stuffed animals or also even clothing such as scarf, then you would need a different type of gift wrapping machine. So, understanding all these variations, also to add to the complexity, what happens is that you might also need to put some bows and ribbons, right? So you would want your gift to be looking really attractive. So this again adds on to the requirements that a particular gift would need. So this way, they understood that each machine, if they could, configure it in a very easy way, it would be helpful for them. Thus, they used Pure Variants as the variant management tool that allows them to configure each machine based on the requirement, which is again stored in code beamer, that is the requirements management tool, wherein all the Santa's requirements are stored. So now let's see how they actually did that. So now, as you can see here, you have this Santa's gift wrapping machine feature model, which has various features such as automated gift feeding, precision cutting style, tape and tag, and so on. Each of these features are of different variation types, right? So you can see mandatory feature, then alternative features, or features, and also optional features. For example, gift tag names are have optional features: fun, normal, personalized. And here you also have the attribute name, that is gifts per minute under the feature speed control. Also another relation here, that is yes, wrapping paper dispenser requires automated tape dispenser. So this is the feature model that they came up with for to configure their variants. And then here now what happened was, Santa then wanted to also have a eco-friendly machine. He said in the future he would want all his machines to be eco-friendly. So then the elves decided to extend this feature model. They added the new feature, that is eco-friendly over here. So you see, you add the new nickname and gave it the optional feature type, and this way they created the new feature. So yeah, so here you can see the eco-friendly feature has been created. Now move on to the solution side. On the left hand side, you have all these different requirements, Santa's requirements for the gift machine. And on the right hand side, you have the pure variants integration within code beamer, wherein the feature model is open for us. And here now they would like to map the feature model to the requirements, and this can be done by simply selecting a requirement. In our case, they've selected reducing the environmental impact requirement, that is requirement number 9, wherein they then select the restriction editor, simply enter the feature, that is the new feature that we entered, that is eco-friendly, and then click on apply. So this way they have created the restriction. And also, if you'd notice the eco-friendly feature, while you're entering the basically the restriction, right, you can use the autocomplete functionality, making our job much more easier. So yes, now we have entered the restriction. Now also looks like they want to, yeah, control the parametric variability. So they want to know, or they want to give a number or a calculation for how many gifts should be generated or produced per minute. So that's why they have the square brackets within which you can put in the calculation, and selecting the requirement, then they go to the calculation editor. Similarly, you can start typing in the feature and make use of the autocomplete functionality. Here they have selected the feature speed control, because as we saw in the feature model, we have the attribute for it, that is yeah, let's see what's the attribute, that is the gifts per minute, right? Yeah, so now what they're trying to say is they would like to take the value of the attribute gifts per minute, which is of the feature speed control, and put into this requirement. So yes, so now you simply click on apply, and then you can see here you have the calculation entered for you. And now, after having put in the structural variability and then parametric variability, they finally decided to create a variant. So that they went back to Pure Variance web client, and inside the configuration space, they created this new variant of the name eco-friendly gift machine. Next, and then yeah, we have it in full configuration mode, and click finish. So you can see we have the eco-friendly gift machine variant for us. Let's open, and now let's start doing doing the configuration. So now here they started selecting all the features that they needed for this particular variant. So they've selected automated gift feeding, then quality assurance, and also here, yeah, speed control has been selected, because yeah, we did add in that particular feature, right? And under advanced settings, let's see what are the features. We have safety features, obstruction sensors, yes, emergency stop button. Then we have the automated power saving mode, eco-friendly. Yes, so we have these features selected, and let's just check if it's a valid variant by simply selecting the automatic validation option here. Yes, the variant looks valid. And now, yes, now we go back to CodeBeamer. So here, before actually triggering the process and generating the 100% variant, I think we all would want to see, right, how the 100% requirements document looks like, because then we don't want to, if there are any changes that we want to make, we would like to have to know it in advance. So for that, we have an option. We can simply inside CodeBeamer, that is the Pure Variants integration there, you can, using this drop down, you can select the variant. In our case, we've selected eco-friendly gift machine, and then click on this preview icon. So you see show preview. So upon clicking that, as you see here, the requirements document, many of the requirements have been grayed out, meaning these are the requirements that are not going to be part of your 100% variant specification document. And the rest are going to be part. And also another thing I would like to show you all is, you see the calculations have been resolved as well. So you can expect that throughput of 50 gifts per minute. And yes, so now simply from within Pure CodeBeamer, by clicking that pencil icon, it takes you to the pure variance web client, and then let's trigger the transformation on this particular variant by selecting the CodeBeamer working set transformation mode, and then this way we've started the job. So yes, so now as you can see, it was a simple process so far. You just have to put in the parametric variability, the structural variability, and preview to see how the output would look like, and just click the transformation icon and you have your output now once the transformation has ran successfully. So you see here, yeah, so you have this 100% variance specification output for you, which is a reduced set document, which wherein the calculations have been resolved as well. So yes, so this is how the elves engineer did the process and made the best use of the variant management approach. I wish you guys also look into it and see how it can best help you all. So, having said this, I would now like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And thank you for watching this video.